Well, hi everyone. We are at one of my favorite places in Lancaster County and one of the most unique places, Stoudtburg Village, located in Adamstown, Lancaster County. And for those of you who don't know about Stoudtburg Village, it's a German inspired village. Like if you look up Rothenburg, Germany, it'll look like this. And it was inspired to have homes as well as a business. So most of the homes here are residential, but there are many homes that have businesses here as well. And the shops are open Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and you can check the hours online. And they also have a restaurant here, and it's just a beautiful spot to take a stroll. And that's what I thought we would do here today, is just take a stroll through the village. It has snow, it's so picturesque, and just check out some of the beautiful decorations that we'll see along the way. And on the left here is an antique shop, and we'll check out their window. I see sparkly and silver, and this looks so pretty. I love this. Hopefully the camera is picking it up okay, but what a pretty scene in the window. And over here to the right is the Lego shop, and they always have neat Lego displays all year round, but I'm sure they have a Christmas Lego display. So, and yep, there it is. Really neat, cool Legos. If you're a Lego lover, that's a good spot. They have really unique items in there that are kind of rare. And there's like a huge Lego display in there as well. And you can go straight, and it just kind of goes around in a big loop. But I just want to turn to the right because the courtyard area is down here, and I'm really excited to see how they have it decorated for Christmas. And some kids just got off the bus. It looks like they're having a snowball fight. That's really cute. I haven't seen kids have a snowball fight in a really long time. So straight ahead here is the courtyard area. There's a beautiful fountain that runs, during the warmer months. And straight ahead is also the Stoudtburg restaurant, which is called the Village House. And they have German food and American food. But look how pretty this is. Isn't this gorgeous? Really pretty. I don't know if the camera's picking up the lights that are strung back and forth. This is really, really pretty. Isn't this so cool? It literally feels like you're in Europe. It's like a little escape. I love coming up here because it seriously feels like you're in Germany, especially with the Christmas decorations. It's even more, magical than normal. And what a pretty tree. A big live tree. I love it. And they have benches right over there to the left and tables. So it's a really nice spot if you want to, get something to eat or a cup of coffee and just hang out here. And look how pretty these houses look. We'll just go check out down here, and then we'll walk around and head back to the courtyard area. I like this tree here. That's really cool. And there's a lot of, really artsy people here. So they always have really cool decorations on their house. This is an antique shop, and they have the nutcrackers displayed. That's a neat window. And we'll walk down here because this purple house, they always have the coolest decorations that they change seasonally. And they always have purple lights. So I'm sure they're on, but you probably can't see them right now because it's not dark quite yet. And I see cute snowmen here dressed with purple hats and scarves. That is so cute. And the decorations match their house. That is super, super cute. This is probably one of my favorite houses in the village. I just love all the purple and Just they have cool decorations here all the time. It's really pretty. And there's a big pond here, and there's a little path that goes right to the pond, and it's frozen over. And during the summer, you can walk all around there. We're not going to do that today, but there's their purple lights. And I don't think I'm going to walk down this path because it's not shoveled and it's like icy snow. So I'm going to walk around the other side and show you. And there's the pond all frozen. It looks so different now. It's still really pretty. In the warmer months, they have benches and you can walk all around this pond area and see the koi fish. So it still looks, I love it. And when there's snow on the ground here, it just looks, so Christmassy and just really magical. It's so pretty in this community here. I love it. All right, so we'll just keep walking around the loop and check out some more storefronts and decorations. I like those giant light bulbs. They look cool lit up too. And there's a cool nutcracker. That's pretty neat. That looks pretty, and I like the little sheep there. They're really cute. And today is December 18th around 3:30. So we've gotten some snow and we've had really cold temperatures, but it's supposed to rain this week. So I'm so happy that I was able to get up here before it rained and all the snow melted, because it is so pretty here with the snow. It's just like, just so Christmassy. And look at this house. They have all seasons. They've got their pumpkins for fall, little bunnies for Easter, and then a Christmas flag. So they're covered for the year. They don't have to do anything. And this is the little coffee house right here at this building right there to the right. And they actually have some pretty good coffee in there. And it's really fun. You can grab a cup of coffee or a little pastry, and then you can sit in the center square there and just kind of enjoy the scenery. And this person right here to the right, they have the coolest mosaic, like a, wall there that they have done. Isn't that neat? And we'll just walk up here to the center square here, and I'll just show you the German restaurant, the Village House, and we can just check out their decorations real quick. But first, look at this neat piece of driftwood. This is a giant piece of driftwood, and then they have candles carved out of wood right alongside it. That is so beautiful. And then they have lights and the garland. There's so many neat things like that. There's so many artsy people here, and they have these really cool decorations all year round. It's always fun to see. And then right here is the Village House restaurant, and they have this cute little blow-up dog delivering a note to Santa. Super duper cute. And there's one last look at the tree, and we'll head down the final walkway and check out the last houses and windows for decorations. And here's another antique shop window with some carolers in their window display. Looks so pretty. I love these window displays. They're really pretty. And here's our final walkway. I love this walkway, this color concrete. I think that looks so cool. This house looks really pretty. And this house here to the left, they always have some cool stuff outside. And I'll show you, they have this really cute Santa and sleigh right here. That's really cute. And then we'll check out their windows. I don't think this is a shop. I think it's just a home. And there's some cute foxes and a lion. That's different. I like that. That's pretty cool. And this window, this is pretty neat. It looks like it's like a coloring book around the edges that you would color. And then it has some Christmas scenes in the middle of it. And the second window has a nativity scene. This is real pretty. And the third window has, I guess it's like an elf and some Christmas decorations and a Christmas tree. So pretty neat stuff here. And then right across the street is this pretty house. This looks so festive. I love it. Pretty wreath and lights. And then this is somebody's yard. That looks super cool in there. I like all like those little lights. Yeah, it looks really pretty. And then this is the Hershey wines. And it looks really cute outside, the greenery and the snow. Pretty decorations. It just looks so nice here. Well, I hope you enjoyed this festive walk around Stoudtburg Village. Here's one last look at this pretty window. We saw this when we came in. It looks better from this angle. It's not so glary. But yeah, this was really pretty. I'm so glad we stopped here. I love looking at all these decorations, and the backdrop of these homes is just, you know, super gorgeous. And the snow, I'm so happy we saw the snow here. It just makes it look that much prettier. So anyway, thank you so much for coming along. I'm hoping you guys really like this walk, and I hope you have a great day, whatever you're doing, and we'll see you on the next one.